Welcome everyone and thanks for joining me today. For this lesson, we're going to be drawing Pombon from Pokemon Winds and Waves. So let's start over on the left side of the page with the eyes. We're going to draw two ovals. Let's start with the one on the left. From the very top, come down towards the bottom, and then back up. Now I'm going to leave a large gap and draw the same size oval on the right. So we're going to start by lining up the top, come down towards the same height, and then back up. Now in the center of each eye, let's draw a smaller oval. And then along the bottom of the eye, we're going to add a curve for a highlight, going up and then down. Let's fill this area going around the center oval in black. Now with the position of this character, we're just going to turn slightly over towards the left side. So the nose isn't going to sit in the middle, it'll shift over towards the left. So right up here, let's draw an oval going sideways. From the bottom of the nose, step down, add a point, and it'll curl the top of the mouth, starting with the left side, coming down and then up. Go back to the center, we're going to stretch this out a little bit wider, going up towards the right. Now I want to open up the mouth. Let's start from the bottom of this curve, we're going to come down and across towards the right side, and we're going to layer the tongue on top. So we're going to draw an oval, coming down an angle, go up, and then back down. Now let's go up to the top right side, bend the mouth coming in behind the tongue. Let's add those two little fangs up here, add a V, and add one over on the right. Now that we completed the face, let's move up to the top and draw in the hair. We're going to start right in the middle. Let's brush the hair over towards the right side, curl this around, and then out. That's going to bend this down and over towards the left. Let's add a smaller point, going out, and then bend that back in. Now I'm going to leave a gap on either side and draw in the ears. Let's start over on the left side, bend this up and then out, line this up on the right. We're going to do the same thing. Round up the tip of the ear, come down the side, and then pull that in. Now I want to add a fold inside the ears. In between these two lines, bend this up and then out. Now there's a large sweep of hair in between the ears, so we're going to start from the inside of the left ear. Start by going up, bend that over towards the right. I just want to curl this back in. Let's add a point, coming around, and then bend that in. Step back, curl this in behind the right ear. Now let's go to the outside of the ear and add in that fur. We're going to start from the bottom of the left ear, bend this out and then up. On the right side, we're going to do the same thing. Let's add that point, coming around and then in toward the side of the head. Let's add another one. We're going to go a little bit smaller. Bend this back in towards the side. Now with these points, we're just going to work our way down towards the bottom of the head. So let's add a larger one. Going out, go all the way around, and then in. Let's continue. Adding another one, slightly smaller. It's round and then in. Now I want to add one smaller one on either side. So I'm just going to curl this out, then this in and then up. Now I'm going to add some fur inside the body, just underneath the tongue. Starting on the left, then this down and across. Now I'm just brushing this over towards the right side, going up, add another one, coming down. Just going to work our way around the tongue, and then bring that up towards the side. Now we're going to tuck the legs and body in underneath. So we're going to start right up here, bend the front leg coming down and across towards the heel. Let's round up the heel, bend the foot, and bring that back in. Let's bend the inside leg going up. Now I want to continue this curve in between these 2 points, just tucking that up underneath. Let's draw on the body from the inside of the leg, then it's out and then up. Let's leave a gap and continue up on the side. Now let's go back to the top of the foot. We're going to add 2 curves to separate the toes. With the left leg, we're just going to stretch this down. So from this line, step over to create a fold, bend this down towards the heel, round up the bottom of the foot, and just going to curl this back in towards the leg, bend the outside of the leg going up underneath the body. Now along the bottom of this foot, we're going to add 2 curves going up. Now that we have the front of the body in place, let's layer the back side in behind. So we're gonna start right up here. Just gonna curl the back, going out and then down. Let's bend the leg, going out and then back down towards the bottom. That's gonna round out the foot and then bend that back up. Let's pull this back in behind the mane. Along the bottom of the foot, we're gonna add 2 curves. Now the last thing we're gonna do is layer the tail in behind. So we're gonna start from the ear. It's gonna draw a circle, going all the way around, and then tucking that in toward the side. And we're gonna add a curl on the end of the tail, bend that up. I'm just gonna swirl this back around. Now I want to go back and add a few little details to finish this off. We're gonna add 2 curves along the top of this mane, but I'm gonna switch to my thin micron pen to do this. Let's start up here. I'm gonna add 1 curve, pull this up, and then bend this down in behind the ear. Now I want to surround the nose with the muzzle, starting from the top of the mouth on the left, and draw an oval, going up, come around, and then down. Let's add a patch underneath this fur with a curve going across and up underneath. And then we'll draw the paw prints underneath. So we'll start with 3 small circles, and then 1 larger oval along the heel. And then we'll sign our art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. That's how I draw Pombon from Pokemon Winds and Waves. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please be sure to subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single week. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.